Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Logitech G HUB not opening or not working. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search Revo Uninstaller. Select the free download option under the official site. Scroll down on left side you can able to see free download option. Select it. Again select the free download option. After getting download and install it. After the installation done open it. After opening this program, search Logitech G HUB, just right click and select uninstall option and select continue and uncheck this save my current settings option and select uninstall. Now select the quit and make sure you selected the advanced option and select scan. And now select all option and select delete and select yes. And now we have completely uninstalled the Logitech G HUB. Now open up a Chrome and set Logitech G HUB. Select the first site. Select the download Windows option. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.